All right, this is going to be a video showing some roof maintenance and some areas we've taken care of leaks and issues. So I want to start off, going to hop over here, show you on this panel. You can see the business has come and paid somebody to come in and tape and coat all of these seams. They've had some various leaks throughout the building. You can see we're on a very good sized building. Took a lot of manpower. Somebody had to come in here and clean this, prep this, prime this, everything else. All done incorrectly, might I add. It's all gonna have to be stripped off and taken away so we can come in and fix it the right way. Roof was never leaking from any of these issues. Leaks were coming from up here. People don't realize this. With a metal roof, trapezoidal panel in particular, water can run 100 foot on a seam. Run in there and channel down leak in areas you think it's leaking from a seam, actually coming from the ridge. When we got here, they've spent hundreds of hours. Guys have come in here caulking and taping and doing all kinds of crap, trying to stop this ridge cap from leaking. We spent about half a day pressure washing, cleaning, getting some of that loose caulking out of here all the way down. And then what we've done is we come in here and foamed in the system. So you'll notice we put we oversized it quite a bit. We did this as a reason to give it some strength. This metal roof wants to move a lot on the ends, a lot here at the very middle, just because of the expansion contraction. So we had to do something to give it some strength all the way along. Now, we'd like to get them into doing foam on the entire roof. We think it'll pay for itself in about 7 years. But the nice part about doing this and doing an acrylic top on it, if they decide to do that several years down the road, all this work they paid us to do, they don't have to repay us to do. We can actually tie into this. We'll have to clean it, but we can tie back into this and use this all as part of the system. We talked in an earlier video about some of these flashings here where we're going to tie them back into the ridge and stop those leaks permanently. That can all be reused as well. So they're not paying for something they've been paying for maintenance-wise over the years. Next video we're going to focus on is Butler panel versus a traditional trapezoidal, how we tell, and then why the work they did over here is incorrect versus over here on the seams a little more quasi-correct.